Hi guys, this is second term Zoom meeting and lesson number 1. And this time I'll pick up You Raise Me Up for teaching material. For this song, chord we use 3 basic chord of key of C plus A minor, which means C, F, G7, and A minor. C and F and G7 you already knew. C, F, G7, and A minor is 4th string 2nd fret with your middle finger. That's the A minor. And tempo is very slow. Quarter note is 64, which means 1 beat per second, close to. 1 beat, the quarter note is 60, is 1 beat per second. So 64 is very slow too. This is the beat. And we start from a 3rd beat. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. When I am down and all my soul, just like that, okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. When I am down and all my soul so weary, when troubles come and my heart burden me, then I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountain. You raise me up to walk on stormy sea. I am strong when I am on your shoulder. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountain. You raise me up to walk on stormy sea. I am strong when I am on your shoulder. You raise me up to more than I can be. Okay, just like that. Okay.